Hello everyone and welcome back to Arts and Crafts Kingdom. Today, I will show you how to draw a colorful, lovely house. Grab some pens and papers and let's get started. Using your marker and a ruler, trace a line of about 12 centimeters at the top of the page. Then turn your ruler 90 degrees down and draw two lines going down as the two walls of the house. These will be around 10 centimeters long, one on the right and one on the left. Next, draw a line at the bottom to complete our oblong shape. Next, move your ruler upwards and draw two lines forming a rectangle shape. Make sure they start from the top right and left corner of the house and they meet at the middle. Repeat the same process moving your ruler slightly upwards. This will be the roof to our house. Now close in the gaps of the roof by drawing two curved lines. Time to add a window. If you don't have a ruler like mine, that's fine. You can use any small round object you have at hand, as long as it is not dangerous and you have a trusted adult nearby. It can be a small tea or coffee cup, a small plate or glass, anything really. Use it to draw a circle at the center of our roof. What is a house without a nice chimney? Use your ruler to draw a small oblong shape at the top right side of the roof. Draw a chunky edge on top of it. And our chimney is done. Let's add some decoration. Draw a giggly line on the edge of the chimney, a wavy line across the chimney, and a longer giggly line going all across the rooftop. It looks like snow. Time to draw the door. Use your ruler to trace two lines of about 4 centimeters long. And decorate your door frame as you wish. To draw a new window, use your ruler to draw a small oblong shape over the wall of the house. And simply add two crossing lines inside. Oh dear, I almost forgot the door handle. This lovely house deserves a lovely garden. I have decided to draw some bushes at the side, but you guys can add whatever you prefer. What does your perfect house look like? Let me know. I will make it sunny. What's the weather like over there for you guys? Time to color in. I'm choosing the following colors, but you guys can choose any color you prefer. Red for the roof. Blue for the top wall. Make sure to stay in the lines and take your time. Don't rush. For the windows, I'm choosing yellow. And same for the chimney details. I love yellow, so I'm also using it for the door frame. What's your favorite color, friends? Let's switch colors for the rest of the walls and the chimney. I choose pink. This will take a while, but take your time, guys. Have fun with it. I know you can do it. I find coloring along the lines very helpful to be more precise, but you guys can follow and find your own style. I'm going to be using orange for the sun and a light green for the bushes. They look like green clouds, don't they? Color in both layers. Go over the outlines if needed. And that's it. We have now drawn our lovely and colorful house. Well done, everyone! And remember, as always, practice makes perfect. Now it's time for Let's Show Your Art. In this part of the episode, we show all the amazing arts and crafts you guys have sent in. Today's art was sent in by Isla. That is a lovely flower. I love the colors you chose and all the different shapes you used to decorate your flower. Well done, Isla. If you would like to send in your arts and crafts for us to show in one of our videos, then please send it to this email address. And that's all we have time for today. Make sure to like this video by pressing the thumbs up button and press the subscribe button below to be the first to watch new videos every week. Also, don't forget to tell your friends in school about Arts and Crafts Kingdom. See you soon!